Welcome to this gorgeous detached Sunvale built home on the hill in Orangeville. The address is 121 Joshua. This detached 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom home located on the hill in Orangeville is the perfect commuter community. It also has 3 really cool features that I love and I can't wait for you to see. For starters, the open concept kitchen, dining room, and great room include a gas fireplace and entry into the backyard. Secondly, you have this fantastic professionally finished backyard, including this gorgeous gazebo that has pot lights, electrical outlets, and JBL speakers that will last all year long. Did I mention the hot tub? It's perfect for staying warm in the winter. Lastly, did I mention this beautiful layout for a master bedroom? Plus you have the walk-in closet, the ensuite bathroom. We also have a finished basement. There's also a walk-in into the garage. Okay, I guess there's more than 3 really cool features. Come see what all the fuss is about in Orangeville. I promise you won't be disappointed.